At first, this looked like a routine guilty plea, no arguments, no drama. But as the judge began asking questions, it became clear this case had a history and consequences no one in that courtroom could ignore. Stay with us, because what happens next says a lot about choices, accountability, and the reality of prison time.
Hello. Hi. I think this is the first time where I didn't have to sign an order for you to come over to court by force.
I don't think it is, Judge.
Oh, you think there are other times? Okay.
I'm certain there was at least one other time.
Okay. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. All right, so we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2024 CR 6703A State versus Mariah. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Lopez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Orlando Castañon for defense.
And are you Miss Lopez? Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Lopez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it? Does somebody need off the record? Do we need a mask for, I think we need a mask for somebody over in the box. Nobody's trying to get sick before the holidays.
It's happening.
Who is that over there with the cough? All right, let's give that to Mr. Baker. Do we need to double up on that? Those are pretty thin and flimsy. All right, we're back on the record. Court report, I'm trying to protect you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Deputy Laura, do you want to
What
like
it's worth.
sever?
He's always been that way, Judge, so I don't know that he's any sicker than he ever was every
Hey,
time I ever
doctor.
talked to him.
Dr. Patrick Montgomery?
I'm trying to alleviate some worry here.
People think that JD means that we're medical doctors. No. All right, we're back on the record. You say that you reviewed the true bill of indictment with your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a habitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court doesn't have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes,
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Lopez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
Are you a U.S. citizen?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 8673. Take in consideration 2024 CR 5803. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
Defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all the statute.
No objection, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, how do you know these people? Do you know them at all? You can't do this, you understand? And what is happening with this other case that it's supposed to be running concurrently with?
You've already sentenced her to that case. It was a revocation.
Okay.
I believe back in May. I was not the attorney at that time.
All right. Court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 8673. Take in consideration 2024 CR 5803. There's to be no contact with Alyssa Jade, Jade, Paez, Paez, or Samuel Reimers or Reimers, Rymers, or Brennan, Brennan, Alexander Cornish, or 3434 Oakdale. And that's San Antonio, Texas, 78229. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. So anytime you're doing custody is a lot of time. So make sure you change your ways. If there's some issue with housing or something else, if I'm still here when you're released, you can come back here. If you can't find a place to stay, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
The sentence has been handed down, but the story doesn't end there. Moments like this show how quickly life can change inside a courtroom. If you want more real court cases, powerful judge reactions, and unfiltered legal moments you won't see anywhere else, make sure you subscribe, hit like, and leave your thoughts in the comments. More intense cases are coming. You don't want to miss the next one.